Choose the incorrect question. Which place did you visit? When did you go there? How did you get there? What you did like? The answer is what you did like. Who laughed at the old man? Minu, Vinu, Veena, Kavira. So Vinu. Who advised not to cut the branch on which Vinu was sitting? The old man, the odd man, Vinu, your grandfather. The answer is the old man. Choose the incorrect pair. Tina, Halol. Trade Fair, Vadodara. Meena, Bhuj. Meena, Village Fair. The Meena, Village Fair. Juggler means joker, magician, musician, yes, snake charmer. The magician. How did Tina reach to the village fair? By bus, by helicopter, by auto rickshaw, yeah, by bicycle. So by auto rickshaw. Who wear well dressed? Saleswoman, saleswoman, salesman, या none? Saleswoman. What did Tina buy from the trade fair? TV, washing machine, grinder, या nothing? Nothing. Vinu had a khaljagya in his hand. Sword, gun, axe, या saw? So. Who visited Dholavira? Meena, Tina, Vinu, या Tina and Meena? Meena. Pavagadh is famous for Mahakali temple, ropeway, car ride, या Mahesh temple? Mahakali temple. Where does Meena live? Bharuch, Bhuj, Bhrugrupur, या Bhavnagar? Bhuj. Give the past tense from to break, to seat and to buy. The breaks, या buy. Breaking, sitting, या buying. Broken, set, या bought. या broke, set and bought. The past tense is broke, set and bought. Give opposite of small, full and young. Big, small, fulls and youngs. Big, empty and old. Smell, feel and young. Smoke, fire and younger. So the answer is big, empty and old. मीनाए जलेबी खाधी. Make English sentence. Meena ate jalebi. Meena eating jalebi. Meena ate jalebi and Meena jalebi ate. The answer is Meena ate jalebi. An old man saw the boy. Translate this sentence into Gujarati. વૃદ્ધ માણસે જોયો છોકરો. એક વૃદ્ધ માણસે છોકરાને જોયો. એક છોકરાએ વૃદ્ધ જોયો અને એક પણ નહીં. તો એક વૃદ્ધ માણસે છોકરાને જોયો. Vinu broke his hand, leg, none, all of this? Leg. Tina visited a village fair, trade fair, festival fair, traditional fair? Trade fair. Trade fair and village fair both. Who lives in Bhuj? Tina, Meena, Vinu, all of these? Meena. Tina visited a village fair between Halol and Khaljagya. Vadodara, Godhra, Chotia या Pavagadh? Pavagadh. Tina went to the village fair by auto rickshaw, car, bus, a scooter. Auto rickshaw. How many temples were there outside the village? One, two, three, or four? Two. Khaljigya was showing the plan. Tina, the shopkeeper, Tina's father, Yamina, the shopkeeper. The giant wheel was really Khaljigya. Small, huge, large, or wide? The huge. The loudspeaker were playing Khaljigya. Film song, bhajan, dialogue, yeah, announcement. Announcement. There were many children in the Khaljigya. Merry-go-round, giant wheel, sweet shop, and train. Sweet shop. Wonderful means Khaljigya. Houseful, great, useful, and harmful. Answer is great.